Hi! Good morning! Hi guys! I'm here in the PHA convention.
Kita mo ng traditional pag-imo sa kape. Grabe tadi.
Ay, akin to. Thank you, Madge! Morning, guys! So, for today's vlog, we are at the PHA convention at ICC. Thank you, Doc.
Thank you, doctors.
Sa babaw.
Guys, everyone should please settle down because in a while we'll be starting.
Hello! Atong badge yun. Tapos ginapilahan nila. Kinakakuha na kami coffee. Ano? Sa match. Sa tupad sa ang ibabatin.
Let the medical city for where
Illustration of why the heart is more important than the brain, right? And so I bought that one. And your orbit is very limited. Maybe it's time for you to orbit in a different circle. Difficult times for many of us are the ones we give ourselves. Yung mga buringon.
Wow, Robertos! Nagapila kami for the free things.
Bacho, mag-scoopy, dati na lang dito. Ang alas 2, may Guimaras Mangoes. Merrick Guimaras Mangoes, limited edition.
Okay.
Lahat ng paborito natin, the UNESCO Gastronomic City of Iloilo, we brought it all here. Hindi mo na kailangan lumabas. Look! I heart soup for the soul, perfect for the heart. You complete your Iloilo experience with Roberto's meatballs and sopaw.
Thank you po.
Bamaksyon, ha? From Balhard. Ibra din Balhard.
Thank
Control
you.
palpitations with Balhard.
Thank you, Robertos. Thank you, Valhar. Thank you, Padong. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for your
Study will answer our question. The EMPAL study is
Personalities and lower saturated fats reduce your major adverse cardiovascular events.
The importance of your lifestyle activities of therapy as was.
So diabetic patients, there are about 2.9 million undiagnosed Filipinos with diabetes. Senior patients, make every constant, even always. All the organs in our body, they have an influence by
Wow.
problems.
Lunch.
You also
celebrating our 80th anniversary. This afternoon, as we have seen,
Wala lang. So cold inside. Magwa kami yan eh. Yeah. Papa ni? Na. 1, 2, 3.
the organizers of this convention. Occasions. Diabetes devices such as CGMs are beneficial and should be considered.
Coffee, part 2.
Hi, Doc. Thank you, Doc. Doc. Let's go, doctors.
So before anything else, I think
Just nor any other gadgets. Only the wireless device provided by the BA.
Each pa na. Ay, each na.
So we can't have a competition.
Wow.
A,
What a trial question. So hard.
10, or 10, and
Ba't yun, guys? Ano sa bat niyo?
Paralain A.
Ano sa bat?
C. Paralain A.
Ano mo sa bat? C. Akon B. Boy. Boy man akon.
okay. On the list of hospitals.
Ay, sino ang doktor?
Yay!
All hospitals got the correct answer. All hospitals got the correct answer. Congratulations.
Okay. Second place.
Let's see the hospitals who got the correct answer.
Nice one.
Philippine Doctors Hospital.
Brainstorm sila, Doc. Go, Doc. You can do it, Doc.
Answers, rather.
Oh my gosh, daog! Daog daw, first to daog!
Iloilo Doctors Hospital with 32 points. Congratulations. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes.
West Visayas State University Medical Center. West Visayas Medical Center.
Congrats, Doc! Sagad-sagad siya! Sakit kami! Kamanay, Doc! Kamanay, Doc! Day 2. Fly hard. Day 2. Thank you, Fly hard.
Thank you.
Deep, 7 to 9 hours.
Wow,
Kasi
sana
that's
all.
one of the PHA advocacy. In that, thank you very much for your and please follow
Wow.
the social media of thank you very much.
Mapila na kami din. Subo. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
products.
Link affiliated. Kumakanta sila PRC. Video.
Bridge. Ator basta to.
May pasalubong na ako for my lolo. Beth, for the family. So nice.
Mga Poppy, pangatag ko na lang yung sa Santa Barbara.
Oo, mga ara.
Ari kay Owen, oh. Owen, for you.
Wow, for Owen.
Acute cardiovascular syndrome following myocardial infarction and stroke with significant morbidity and mortality.
Non-pharmacological therapy to those with PTE, non-pharmacological
Among women is the fact that that risk increases by about 45 to 50 years old. So there's a lag compared. And this is our call to please monitor women's health during midlife. A critical window because omega fatty acids can elevate bleeding time in the wake of injectable that is available here in the Philippines. And we would tend to fluctuate in terms of LDL.
So as much as possible,
They should be utilized more, especially in intermediate and high-risk patients and procedures.
We call on first place in the first ever PHA PICC mid-year Swiss Bowl for residents. Hospital. Congratulations.
Good morning, Iloilo. Good morning, everyone. Maayong aga sa tanan, and welcome to this year's PHA Media Convention here in the beautiful city of Iloilo, where we will focus on the recent clinical guidelines in the field of cardiology, and these topics will be